Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 3rd of December. We were supposed to be heading to New Plymouth today to the Christmas parade, but we've just found out on their Facebook it's been cancelled. Don't know why, the rain's not too bad, but anyway, these things happen. So, we're off on an adventure today. We're not sure where we're going yet. All the kids are already ready to go, so we thought we'd head on out and fill the car up with petrol and see what else we can figure out. What do you want to do, Harley? No, last time your suggestion was go to the beach and that didn't work. It was too wet, eh, Finn?
Yes. Nana's.
We can't go all the way to Nana's, you've got school tomorrow. We'll figure out something to do, eh?
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. So we're just waiting on Riley. Kira's going to stay here and get some work done. And we're going to hit the road.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go with you floating.
It's cold out there.
It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I could tell. We gonna sweep this under the carpet.
Well, so far we've ended up in Inglewood, but it looks like we're going to play mini golf today. At least it's undercover, so hopefully we stay dry.
And it's not busy because it's raining.
Everyone stayed at home. It's probably going to be cold in there, but we'll see.
There you go with you floating down, I wish it would.
Hang on, Fern.
Yeah,
I want to make sure you're not cheating.
Always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I could tell. We gonna sweep this under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. Lying down beside you, what's going through your head? The silence
It's going
in the
to.
air felt like my soul froze. Am I just overthinking feelings I can't? This gut feeling I'm trying to get off me ass. I hope we find the missing pieces and just we could sweep it under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. We will.
Cool.
Awesome.
Thanks. See ya.
I think I won, I hope I did. They're adding up in the back, but I'm going to re-add it afterwards just to make sure. I think the plan is to go to CER City now.
So, are we? What is the time? 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mum, can I have a drink?
Go and see what's happening up there.
Alright.
It's out of the weather. Well, mate, it's in New Plymouth. The rain's getting worse. We're going to go hang out in CER City for a bit so Riley can do his window shopping. Be out of the rain for a minute. It's not cold. It's just wet, it's not cold. It's just raining.
You really did it.
Flowers out. Decorations.
I'm pretty sure they're just boxes.
That didn't work because they closed at 4.
No. But they're open to at least 5.
So we got there with about 5 minutes till they closed. Fail. That's one of the old buildings. It's raining, guys. Let's go. No one can get in the car till I get there. Well, we got wet. That didn't really work because Centre City shut at 4 and we got there at 5 to 4. So all we got out of that was getting wet.
Look at my...
Oh, we got the brochure for the Christmas thing.
Yes.
What is it? The Christmas
trail. You got to go around a map, and on the map within the locations are letters, and you write down the letters, and when you finish you get a Christmas message, and then you go in the draw to win something. $200 voucher.
But it's all outside.
It's all outside, pretty
Yeah,
much.
ain't gonna happen today.
No, but it's for a sunny day.
So we should get it done before Christmas, hopefully.
Yeah, we got until the 24th.
Okay, cool. Right, to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Get a few bits and pieces.
Can I have 3 samples?
Oh, and then you can tell me which one you like to do.
Oh, I can get it for you from this bucket, okay? I'll get it out with my tongs, alright? Do you like chocolate chip, salted caramel, apricot chocolate? Chocolate chip. That's alright. It's just $20 for a bucket or $57 for 3 buckets. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Can we eat it now?
Yeah.
I already opened mine, so we have to.
That's your afternoon snacks ordered.
Oh, those have got a big funny lump in them.
That's a hack.
Ah.
Can we have some in the car? I want to have parking.
Maybe.
I'll drink
And
halfway.
there's these cool lunch cookings for the week. Oh, it's still raining.
How we doing?
Pretty good. What's the verdict, eh?
Which ones did you like? Which ones do you want to get?
The chocolate. Thank you so much. And I'll give you this one in return. That's all yours, guys. I hope you enjoy.
Cool, thank you.
See you then. See you later.
See ya. Well, we are done in New Plymouth, I think, are we?
Yep,
I'm sick of the rain. It's been a bit wet and miserable.
very wet.
Let's get out of here. Get this car demisted. I think we made the most of this wet day. Best thing we could have done was get out of here. Mini golf was cool though.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that.
It was hard.
It was very hard.
hard for me.
We're going to have to practice without the kids and go back one day. Right, inside. You know what I'm hanging out for? Yes, coffee. Can we have coffee at this time of day?
Yeah, it's dinner time.
It's dinner time.